Good morning, good morning, good morning. This is Daryl Worthy with Excellence Janitorial Services and Carpet Cleaning in Bakersfield. We're on our first job today. Today is March the 1st. I have everything set up. We're going to go in here and take a look at the carpets. But first of all, this carpet is not very dirty. It's a new carpet. Now, new carpets, when they come from the factory, they come with Teflon on them, which is like a Scotchgard or Teflon. It's already applied onto the carpets when they come from the factory. So when carpets are new like this, you don't have to use a very high pH in order to clean them. You can use a very low pH cleaner and still allow the Scotchgard to remain on the carpet. Now keep in mind, the higher the pH is, the more aggressive the cleaning solutions are. You have a possibility of removing the Scotchgard or the Teflon from the carpet. So you want to make sure that you are always using the right pH when cleaning polyester carpets, or any type of carpet that is, so that you can preserve the integrity of the Scotchgard. So what I'm going to be using today is a chemical by, and here it is right here. It's by ProChem, which is a all fiber deep clean as a rinsing agent with the pH at about 5.2. So the way this chemical works, I have put 32 ounces of this all fiber deep clean rinse into this 5-gallon jug. So I set my meter at about 2.5 to 3 gallons per hour. As I'm cleaning, this jug will, the chemical will come from this jug down through this line that's going into the house that I'm cleaning with, and it will come out of here. This is a meter that sets the amount of solution that's used from this 5-gallon jug. So as I'm cleaning, let's go in here and and look at the carpet, and I'll kind of explain to you. Kind of give you a little bit more history on, or information that is, as to how pH works. Or shall I say, how not to use too of aggressive chemical on the carpet when you're cleaning to preserve the integrity of the Scotchgard or the Teflon. So, as you can see, these carpets are fairly new. And I can imagine they probably stayed here probably no longer than 4 to 5 months at that. Carpets are like still brand new. This room over here as well. So I won't have to pre-spray this carpet at all. I can just clean it with the fiber rinse. So how this works is, once I'm cleaning, I'll connect this solution line onto my wand. This line is going out to my van, and this is where the rinsing agent is going to come through here. It's going to go down through here, through the tips of my wand. And so that is going to allow the rinsing agent to come in contact with the carpet, and we're going to be able to clean with that. Now, what that also does, when you're using a high pH, this rinsing agent helps to balance the pH in the carpet after it's been cleaned. So in other words, like when a lady go to a beauty salon and she's getting a perm in her hair, and they put the straightening gel in it, and then they curl it and let it set for 20, 30 minutes, whatever. And then they put the neutralizer in it to stop the chemicals from having the straightening effect. So this is kind of what the neutralizing rinse does. It stops the chemicals from working, and it also balances the pH. So if you're using an aggressive chemical and the pH is about 9 to 10, depending on how dirty the carpet is, once this rinsing agent comes in contact with those chemicals in the carpet, it brings that pH level back down to a normal safe level. Now, that's a little bit of chemistry. So you always want to make sure when you're cleaning new generation carpets, and if the carpet is not that dirty, that you do not remove the Teflon from the carpet or the Scotchgard, because that would, in some cases, that can void the manufacturer's warranty. And the manufacturers, they want to see that you maintain your carpets being cleaned from at least once to 2 times a year by a professional certified carpet cleaning company, which we fall right into that category, to keep that warranty in effect. So that's a little bit of history on pH and neutralizing agent, which is what we'll be cleaning this carpet with today. I just kind of wanted to give you a little bit of history as to how pH works, or give you a little bit of information. So that way, when someone show up to your house and you ask them, well, what is the pH level of the chemicals that they're going to be using? Just kind of ask questions to see how well they can answer you. If they can give you a good answer based on the information that I just gave you, you know that that's a professional cleaning company and they have a little bit of knowledge about chemistry. So that's the tip of the day. Don't clean carpets with an aggressive pH that will remove the Teflon or the Scotchgard from the carpet. You always want to preserve the integrity of the Scotchgard on the carpet by using a low pH cleaner. So we'll be back here shortly and show you the afterwork when we're done. I want to say thank you for watching.